Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change speed and pitch of audio in CapCut. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let's create some new project. For that I will add a video here, and next, once you added a video there, tap here at the video row on timeline, and there scroll for a little to find extract audio. I see that audio row was appeared, and there I can tap on that and search for speed right there, and now I see that speed is 1. That means the normal speed of that row, and I can increase that speed up to 2, 3, 5, 10, even 100. So I will increase that speed to double X, and at the same time you can check the changes, how it works now. You can increase even more if you want, and also you can pitch that audio. Just select this pitch option right here, and now you see that my voice becomes a little funny, so it means that it's pitched. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.